Good morning. About Nelson Mandela. Today I am going to talk about Nelson Mandela, one of the most important figures in the story of human rights and the justice. Early life. Nelson Mandela was born in the 1918 in South Africa. He studied law on the University of Witwatersrand. Mandela, his education played a key role in developing his deep sense of justice, and equality. Activism begins. In the 1950s and the 60s, Mandela became an activist against apartheid. He organized protests and was very brave in defending civil rights. His actions were more radical than those those of other leaders at the time. Imprisonment. In 1962, Mandela was arrested and later sentenced to life in prison. He spent 27 years in prison, most of the time on Robben Island. His imprisonment became a powerful symbol of injustice around the world. Released under leadership, Mandela was released in 1990. Soon after, he led peaceful negotiations to end apartheid. In 1994, he became the first black president of South Africa. His leadership was ready, inclusive, and inspiring. Legacy. He helped write a new democratic constitution that protected human rights. In 1993, he received the Nobel Peace Prize. Even after his presidency, he continued working for peace and education around the world. Thank you.